Okay, good morning everyone. Our lesson today is how to solve a question 12 Haikal Math trimester 2 multiple choice questions in Haikal for grade 12 advanced. As you see here, this is the question 5, y equals x squared plus 1 on interval from a to b. A equals here 0, p equals 1, n equals 16. The first case here, I think from left in point. Okay, case 1 from left. How to solve this question? I will give you general formula to solve this question and to find the area easily. Step 1, I think just the first time I will explain this, then I will use I think short method. Okay, inshallah. Let me show you how to do that. Step 1, this is I can find delta x. This is equals p minus a over n. This is equals here p1 minus 0 over 16. This is equals 1 over 16. Okay, this is the second I minus 1. This is start. From left, xi minus 1, not xi. From right, xi. Here, x. This is equals a plus I minus 1 times delta x. Times delta x here, delta x p times p minus a over n. This is, you should be careful about this. This is if xi minus 1. This is equals, I think, x squared. This is x. This is equals a plus I minus 1 times p minus a over n, all these square plus 1. This is the general formula to find the area from left. This is p minus a over n summation from I equals 1 to n if xi minus 1. That's it. Okay, you can substitute here in this formula. This is I equals 1 over 16 summation from I equals 1 to 16 if xi a 0 here. This is equals a minus 1 times 1 over 16 because p minus a, all these square plus 1. Why? Because x square plus 1, just replace xi minus 1 by x plus 1. X square, xi minus 1, x square, that from square comes from this, from the function above. Okay, everything is ready. You can use calculator now to find the answer. It's easy now to use calculator. This is, I think, 1 over 16. Okay, times summation. Okay, here open brackets. This is, I think, x minus 1, okay, times 1 over 16, okay, then close this bracket, squared from 1 to 16. Don't forget it here to add plus 1, this plus 1. Okay, the answer is, I think, 130. This is 130 exactly. Right. The second method, second case from right. From right, the same process. This is delta x equals p minus a over n. This is equals, I think, 1 over 16, no problem. But here xi, not xi minus 1. Xi, this is equals a times I times delta x p minus a over n. Then just substitute in general formula. A equals p minus a over n summation from a I equals 1 to 16 or to n if xi. Just substitute. This is equals 1 over 16 summation from I equals 1 to 16 if xi, this is xi, this is, I think, equals, this is 0, this is equals 1 over 16i, 1 over 16i. This is 1 over 16I squared plus 1y, because the function equals x squared plus 1. This is x squared because this is xi, 1 over 16I plus 1. Don't forget the plus 1. The answer is, you can find, use calculator, is just here. I think here the same, just change x, yes, remove this one, yes, x, 1 over 16 times x. The answer is, I think maybe something wrong here, because more practice. The answer is 1 over, yes, 1 over 36. This is from right. Also, the third method from use midpoint. Also, the general formula for midpoint, this is, I think, the midpoint, I think the same, delta x p minus a over n, this is equals 1 over 16, xc I equals, I think this is half xi minus 1 plus xi. This is the formula. I think this is, I think maybe this is equals, I think a plus, I think I minus half times p minus a over n. This is the formula for x central. Okay, I. Okay, that's it. This is I. Okay, now we can find the formula. A equals summation p minus a over n, summation from I equals 1 to n if x ci. Okay, this is, I think, equals p minus a over n, summation from I equals 1 to n a plus I minus half times p minus a over n. This is the general formula to find the area by using midpoint. Now just substitute. This is equals p minus a 1 over 16, summation from I equals 1 to 16 a 0. This is I minus half times 1 over 16. This is squared plus 1. Just substitute in this formula by using calculator. This is, I think, 1 over 16 times summation, I think, open brackets, this is x minus half, okay, close the brackets, this is the, okay, times 1 over 16. All these, I think, here to open also another bracket. Be careful about this. This is a, sorry, yes, open another bracket, close this bracket, square, yes, plus 1. Okay, from 1 to 16. What the answer? The answer is equals 1.33. That's right. A equals 1.33. This is the 3 methods, different method how to find, and you can use the general formula to each one. Maybe I can use here solve question 7 in the same one. Left directly we can use, this is the from left, this is a equals p minus a over n summation from I equals 1 to n a plus I minus 1, okay, times p minus a over n, all this is x plus 2 plus 2. Why? Because here all these radical here, as you see, radical x plus 2, this is radical x plus 2. You can find this, just substitute, this is equals 1. I think here p minus a, p4, yes, 4 minus 1 over 16 summation from 1 to 16 radical, I think here a1 plus I minus 1 times p minus a over n, yani 4 minus 1 3 over 16, 3 over 16 plus 2. We can find the area directly because this is a question you can use calculator multiple choice, no need to write many steps. I think this is equals 3 over 16 times, I think summation radical from 1 plus here open bracket x minus 1, okay, times 3 over 16, don't forget it, plus 2. Why? Because the function plus 2 from 1 to 16, the answer is 6.2. this is a equals 6.26. okay, the second method from right, in the same way you can use formula directly. This is a equals p minus a over n summation from I equals 1 to n a plus I times p minus a over n, okay, plus, okay, as you see here, this is plus 2, all these under the square root. Okay, you can find this by using calculator. This is equals a 3 over 16, because this is 4 minus 1, 3 over 16 summation from 1 to 16. Okay, this is equals a1 plus 3 over 16 times I plus 2. You can use calculator to find this. The same here, just remove minus 1, 3, this is here x, yes, yes, 3 for 16i or x, the same. The answer is 6.4. yes, area equals 6.4. okay, the last step, midpoint, in the same way also you can use general formula for the midpoint. Area equals p minus a over n summation from I equals 1 to n. I think this is xc for midpoint here. This is, I think, a plus I minus half, okay, times p minus a over n, all these plus 2, this is under the square root. It's easy now, just area equals 3 over 16 summation equals from 1 to 16 radical a1, 1 times I minus half times 3 over 16 plus 2. This is the answer. The answer, I think you can find by using calculator. This is equals 3 over 16. Also here time is summation. Yes, radical 1 plus, sorry, plus, not minus, plus, open brackets, I x minus half. Okay, close the brackets, times 3 over 16 plus 2. The answer is, sorry, maybe you should from 1 to 16. Don't forget it. This is 6.33. 6.33. That's it. You can solve any question and use this general formula by using calculator, because this question multiple choice. Thank you for watching video. Thank you so much. We will see you inshallah in the next video.